Happy Thursday, everybody. Welcome to pre-market update. S&P 500. This is US 500 live market futures near sell zone. Okay, these red lines are the sell lines, green lines are the buy lines, and it's close to the sell zone. And if I look at ES, which is EMINI futures, you can see same thing. Levels are 44.12 and above. These are the sell resistance zones. 44.12, 44.25, 44.38, and the buy zones are below 43.79 and below, and neutral zone is 43.95. So it is possible we could come back from here to neutral zone like 2.25% and then bounce again. Okay. Usually in one day it come from sell zone to buy zone. It can happen, but there needs to be some very bearish news. But if that happens, 0.7% down, 43.79 is your target to buy. NQ Nasdaq is it's a bit weaker compared to S&P 500 tech sector, mainly due to Tesla, I think. But anyhow, it's near neutral zone, so sell zones are around 15.428 and above, and buy zones are around 15.288 and below. And Dow Jones also very close to the sell zone, a little bit below 34.237, so that's the sell zone. And Russell 2000 also between neutral zone and sell zone. If it comes to the red line, that's where you should be looking to take profits. Triple Q cash index is also near sell zone. Gold is in the buy zone. You can see it's touching the buy line here. There's some indicators I have to get rid of, so you can see it's just touching the buy zone here. Silver in the neutral zone, a little bit. Silver is stronger than gold. Natural gas jumping from the buy zone. You can see it came to the buy zone, now jumping in the neutral zone, no trade zone. Crude oil also in the middle, no trade zone. Dollar index in the middle, no trade zone. So if it falls below around 105, that's a good time to buy. Bitcoin, massive pump now in the sell zone. Massive pump all of a sudden. Right near third standard deviation, sell zones. Ethereum near between sell zone and neutral zone. So see if it goes above 1921, that's a good area to sell. Stock market, stock wise, Tesla is still in the middle, which is neutral zone, and I think all of the stocks could be in the buy zone. Apple is near buy zone, Netflix near buy zone because there was some pump. So we could get a little bit of coolness if that happens. Look to buy all the dips. Amazon here also near neutral zone, so nothing major in tech stock. Hang Seng index is near between buy zone and neutral zone, so if it falls below 17,461, look to buy. And commodities wise, let's quickly scan. Copper is in the neutral zone. Palladium was down heavily, now also near neutral zone. Wheat near sell zone and neutral zone. Corn is also near neutral zone and buy zone. Soybeans near buy zone. Sugar pumping now near sell zone. And gold miners, they should be in the buy zone. You can see Newmont Mine below third standard deviation pre-market. Perfect time to buy. This is very rare. You don't see stocks going below third standard deviation. This is a very good buy, I think. Gold miners, GDX also between second and third. There's a gap here around 27 bucks, so looks like they want to fill that gap. So look to buy on 27 whenever that happens. And just scanning through other stocks, XLE energy sector is in the buy zone. There's a gap here around 82, 82.63. That's a good target. And I think everything else is near sell zone. KRE, regional bank ETF, near neutral zone. Intel is near neutral zone. Shopify is in the sell zone. ARKK is also in the sell zone. Disney pumping pre-market, good earnings now. You should look to take profits as soon as market open on Disney. Cisco down pre-market. Wow, 2.25%, right on the buy zone. There was a gap here around 50, I think 52. They are filling that. There's another gap around 51.38. They might fill that as well. So keep that in mind. And what else is bad pre-market? Let's quickly scan. Pfizer is also in the buy zone, and ABBV in the neutral zone. CVS also in the buy zone. China, Alibaba near buy zone 83.91 and below, look to buy. Baidu 106.23 and below, look to buy. And banks, Canadian banks in the sell zone. Interesting. It's mixed. Some of them are in the sell zone, some of them are in the buy zone. And let's look at Enbridge Gas in the neutral zone. CNQ in the buy zone, biggest Canadian gold oil miner. XOM also near buy zone. Crypto is pumping, so things are good because of Bitcoin. Again, let's look at levels. This is live market, US 500 right in the sell zone. Nasdaq between sell zone and neutral zone, still room to go higher. Dow Jones also still room to go higher. And Russell 2000 also still room to go higher. Right, guys, good luck with your trades, and I will see you later. Bye.